Hello students, I am Rashmi Vadva, Assistant Professor of Sant and Institute of Technology and Management, Gurgaon from ETCE department. Students, this is your next topic or a next unit, number 3 from the microcontroller, and that is about the Pentium or a Pentium family. Student, हम इस पूरी वीडियो में Pentium, Pentium Pro, Pentium 2, Pentium 3, Pentium 4 मतलब पेंटियम के एडवांस वर्जन स्टडी करेंगे तो आपके पास 4 to 5 पेंटियम के टॉपिक हैं एंड एक टॉपिक है मोबाइल प्रोसेसर एंड मल्टी कोर टेक्नोलॉजी. तो वन बाय वन व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय और व्हाट इज द पेंटियम? स्टूडेंट सी, when I'm discussing its brief introduction about the Pentium. Before Pentium, that is first of all, सबसे पहले 4 बिट इंटेल ने दिया हमें 4 बिट का microprocessor, then 8 bit, then 8085 is 8 bit microprocessor, then 16 bit, then 32 bit. फिर हमने 8085 के बाद 8086 पढ़ा. After 8086 180 186 80286 386 486 ये हम सब सेकेंड यूनिट में कवर कर चुके हैं. फिर उसके बाद 80586 भी, दैट इज अ पेंटियम. So this is advanced families of the microprocessor. So when the family of the microprocessor developed by the Intel Corporation introduced in 1993, so as a successor to Intel 80486 microprocessor, the Pentium contains the two processor on a single chip. About 3.3 million transistors are there. So in this unit, we are discussing about the basic features of the Pentium processor. Basically, Pentium is introduced in 1993 and having a clock frequency ranging from 60 to 66 megahertz. And the primary changes in the Pentium processor was as compared to other, that is a 64-bit data bus cycle pipelining, and superscalar architecture, dynamic branch prediction, floating point unit pipeline, floating point unit, and separate 8K code and data cache. So these are the different features of the Pentium, or you can say the Pentium processor. A major functional component, that is a core, as the heart of the Pentium is the execution unit, and the Pentium has a two parallel integer pipeline, enabling it to read, interpret, execute and dispatch two instructions simultaneously. Basically, the Pentium architecture has a data bus of 64-bit and address bus of 32-bit. There are the two separate 8 kilobyte caches, one for the code and one for the data. So another is the wider address bus. And listen, cover this first. Cover this on the screen. That is branch predictor. The branch predictor unit tries to guess which sequence will be executed each time the program contain a conditional jump. So the prefetch and the decode unit can get the instructions ready in advance. And the floating point unit, the third execution unit in the Pentium, where non-integer calculations are performed. Then level 1 cache, the Pentium has two on-chip cache, 8 KB each, one for code, one for data, which are far quicker than the larger external secondary cache bus interface. This is a mixture of a code and data into CPU, separates the two uh, ready for and the recombine them and send them back out. So this is the features or functional components of the Pentium. There are the some more features of the Pentium processors as follows. That is a yes, 64-bit data bus, or you can say that the yes wider address bus, and the Address bus on the Pentium is widened to 36 bits and giving it a maximum addressability of 64 GB. And it supports burst read and burst write back cycles. 8 bytes of data information can be transferred to and from memory in a single cycle. And it support pipelining. Yes. And instruction cache and 8 KB of dedicated instruction cache, 2 integer execution unit, 1 floating point execution unit, dual instruction pipeline, 256 lines between instruction cache and prefetch buffer, allow 32 bytes to be transferred from the cache to buffer, data cache, and next is the 8 KB dedicated data cache gives data to execution unit, 32 byte line, 2 parallel integer execution unit, allow the execution of 2 instructions to be executed simultaneously in a single processor clock, floating point unit, and it includes faster internal operation, local advanced programmable interrupt controller, speeds up to 5 times for common operation including add, multiply, and load than 80486. Branch prediction logic to reduce the time for a branch caused by internal delays. Data integrity and error detection has significant error detection and data integrity capability. Data parity checking is done on byte basis. Dual integer process allow execution of 2 instructions per clock cycle. Functional redundancy check to provide the maximum error detection of the processor and interface to the processor. A second processor checker is used to execute in lockstep with the master processor. Superscalar architecture, 3 execution unit, 1 execution unit execute floating point instruction. The other 2 uh, execute integer instruction is U and V pipe. Parallel execution of several instructions, superscalar processor. So this is the basic enhanced features of the Pentium. Next is a Pentium Pro architecture or a Pentium Pro. So its basic features are the Pentium Pro microprocessor belongs to CISC. Basically CISC is a complex instruction set computer. इससे पहले हमने लास्ट यूनिट में रिस्क पढ़ा था RISC reduced instruction set computer. So 3 तरह के हमारे पास प्रोसेसर थे CISC, RISC and special processor. So CISC is one of them and Pentium belong to this CISC. Processor of a Pentium Pro family are mostly present in majority of personal computer, and the term Pentium processor refers to an internal 86 family of the microprocessor that share a common architecture and instruction set. Some more features of the Pentium Pro architecture is 64-bit data bus. 8 bytes of data information can be transferred to and from memory in a single bus cycle. Support burst read and burst write back cycles. Support pipelining and instruction cache. Now, Pentium Pro architecture having data format, instruction, registers, and memory. Pentium Pro processor have a 8-bit byte memory, 2 consecutive bytes from a word, 4 consecutive bytes from a double word. All the address in the memory are of byte format, and programmer usually view Pentium Pro memory as a collection of segments. रजिस्टर्स आपने देखा था 886 में भी हमारे पास 6 जनरल पर्पस रजिस्टर्स है, उसके बाद 186, 286, 386. फर्दर हमने जब एडवांस माइक्रोप्रोसेसर के वर्जन्स पढ़े तो 8 जनरल पर्पस रजिस्टर्स प्रेजेंट इन द Pentium Pro architecture. Each register is a 32-bit long, and first 4 registers are used for data manipulation and next 4 registers are used to hold address. There are the some special process register in 86 architecture such as segment register, flag register, and EIP register. Data format. Integers are stored in 8, 16, and 32-bit binary number. Characters are represented using 8-bit ASCII codes. Floating points are representing using three different format, namely single precision format, double precision format, and extended precision format. Next is instruction format. All the Pentium Pro instruction uses basic format. The basic format for the Pentium Pro instruction is prefix, suffix, and modifier. The prefix specify the operation of an instruction. Suffix specify the data byte of the operand. Modifier specify the number of operand involved. The opcode is the only element that is present in every instruction. Other elements may or may not be present or may be different length depending on the operation of instruction. Next is addressing modes. Pentium Pro architecture have a large number of addressing modes. जब हमने 886 के भी addressing mode पढ़े थे, 5 addressing modes थे, that is direct addressing mode, register indirect mode addressing mode, um, immediate addressing modes, indirect addressing modes. तो इस तरीके से Pentium Pro architecture have a large number of addressing modes, and the operand value is specified either by using immediate mode or by using register mode. Operands stored in memory are specified using variation of target address calculation, that is a base register plus index register into scale factor plus displacement. This is your PA, target address calculation. Base register is any general purpose register and may be used as a base register. Index register, any general purpose register except ESP can be used as an index register. Scale factor may have a value of 1, 2, 4, 8. Displacement may have a 8, 18 or 32-bit values. Instruction set. Pentium Pro architecture has a large and a complex instruction set having more than 40,000 different machine instructions. An instruction may have 0, 1, 2, or 3 operand. There are the register to register instructions, memory to register to memory instruction, and memory to memory instructions. In Pentium Pro architecture, there are some special purpose register to perform operation required in the high level programming language. Input output. Input instruction transfer one byte word or a double byte at a time from an input output port into register EX. Output instruction transfer one byte word or a double byte from EX to an input output port. Entire string can be transferred using this single operation. So this is the advanced or enhanced features of the Pentium Pro and the Pentium family. सो अभी आपके इस बार इससे सिलेबस चेंज हो गया है. सो थर्ड यूनिट में से जो क्वेश्चन की प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो यही है कि पेंटियम फैमिली, पेंटियम 2, पेंटियम, इनके एडवांस फीचर्स या फिर इंट्रोडक्शन ही आएगा, बिकॉज आपके सिलेबस में अभी इतना ही है. सो कोई भी डाउट हो आप पूछ लेना. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू सो मच.